Hello guys. Good morning. This is Yashas. I am Hi guys, this is Yashas from Traders Cafe. Good morning Mohit. Today is 13th of September. We are doing Sensex expiry. Yesterday has been quite a bit of a roller coaster ride. You would have seen our YouTube stream. So Naveen sir is on a break. I'm his disciple, so I'm taking over today's stream. My name's Yashas. So after yesterday's whole spike, so sir took a decision to take a break. So I have been a disciple of sir for around 8 months. Today is my chance to take over the commentary. So guys, am I audible? Chat, please let me know whether I am audible or not. Good morning Murli. Good morning Mahendra. Thank you guys. So Tribhuvan, to answer your question, so we wait for some time and we start building positions through strangles. So if I were to look into my so I started building positions at 9:34 and once I found a good amount of room, I kept on adding quantity, adjusting according to the spikes, and then built up my position up to 80% of the capital. So this is a 1.5 CR account. P&L chart just a moment. Just a moment. So, am I audible, guys? I just went on mute for a minute. So this is a account that I'm responsible for, and as of now, everything looks great, and I am almost touching around 0.8%. And so I'm gonna trail my profits to around 25,000,
150.
and I'm gonna set my target to 150. So if either of these hit, I'm gonna be done for the day. So to answer your question, SM, yesterday I had taken a leave. So it was quite a coincidence that when I took a leave, that sudden move happened. Certainly would have not been a great day for me, but could have managed. Yeah, you can say that. Calls are looking to hold up its value. Puts are losing their value significantly. So be careful on the call side, guys. So how has your day been, guys? So you might have heard our previous streams where Naveen sir talks about how he interprets OI. So OI doesn't contribute much to his analysis. I am following his footsteps. So you can see how we are managing positions. OI does not contribute much to our analysis. Oh, good. That's a good decision, right? So if you're not comfortable, no trade is the best. So we look into the option premiums. So how are they relatively decreasing or expanding? So I'll show you how I look into the option charts. So and based on that, what I would do is I'll adjust my positions. just looking into whether puts are actually expanding or not. Puts are expanding a little bit. Just checking. Puts are taking out some highs. We'll see whether it's gonna cool down or not. Okay, there's a cool down. A rapid cool down. So Tribhuvan, I'll just show you the analysis how I look into premiums. So it depends on how the premiums are behaving. Usually, if our decisions go right, we book around 1%, and if we stay right, we book more than that. So Naveen sir's in chat. Hi Naresh, didn't see your message. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I do my analysis. Guys, you're able to see the charts. Okay, this is a standard zero the chart. I use Charts IQ. My setup is quite simple. I have VWAP and standard deviations of VWAP. I have a 9 EMA, and I will look into the closest strikes that I have in my vicinity. So if you're looking into my positions, I have 83,000 call. So then on the put side, I have 82,700 put. So if you're looking into the charts, now I compare how this move is with regards to what the market is doing. Now, whenever an option takes out a high, that means it's expanding. So whenever the option is taking out consecutive highs, that is when I risk off and I get to know that there's expansion. And whenever option is coming towards the second standard deviation, that is when I do most of my risk offs. Now you can see that it's actually reacting to the VWAP. We'll see what this option does, and we're gonna decide whether to hold on to the positions or not. So Naresh, I'm actually Yashas. Naveen sir has taken a break. I'm his student, and today is my turn to do the live streaming. Calls are holding up value. Puts are also expanding. SM you would have seen yesterday. I think that answers your question. Let's see what's happening in the index. Index is still holding up the trend. Let's see whether there's any up move again. So my profits are taking a hard stop on 130. It's taking a resistance on 130. So I have to make sure that I am doing something to make it much more stable. So are puts expanding or calls expanding? So SM, you can see the answer that is given by Naveen sir. Guys, give a like. PNR. Okay, be careful on the call side, guys. Calls are holding up significant value. I'm moving away my calls a little bit. Puts are not decaying at all. Might be wrong in it, but Let's see. Calls are the one who's holding up value. Yep. Okay. Gonna bring my puts a little closer. As far as I see, my credits are equal. So if the market doesn't move, I benefit. Calls take out another high, then it's a sign for me to move my calls farther away. Already moved a little bit. So that's the quality of a trader, right, Naresh? So if things aren't going according to your bias, you have to change views and then go according to it. Okay, calls are decaying. Still puts are okay.
Without any position, we are doing पोजीशन होता है तो पता नहीं चलता कि ओल्ड है मोड है कुछ नहीं ये बंद है करंट ये पूरा वॉशी करना है बोले दिन फिर अगले वीक फिर से वाइट शर्ट और कल 2 दिन हमसे बैठे बैठे वॉशी करना है फिर अगले वीक के काम आएगा
So Anna,
कुछ भी है
so we look into what is comfortable at that point of time, and we would aim for those profits. As of now, we are near to 1% of our capital, so more than more than good enough, right? So, do you want more, Anna? Another 12 more. Okay. As of now, straddles have decayed a lot compared to previous historical decays. So better to book profits according to my view. I would not want to go forward and take more. As I showed you, Tribhuvan, I look into the premiums. I start with straddle with strangles, looking at the straddle premiums, start building positions on that on a lighter note, like 5% of your capital, sense the direction and keep adjusting. Once you find a foot at around 10 o'clock or something, and you enjoy the decay. So to answer your question, SM, I have been a trader for the past 4 years. I used to work in a small startup before, where I used to provide research, analysis, backtests, and all. I used to head learning and development in that startup. I moved out of it, took a break for a year, understood what my sense of trading is, and I got recruited in Traders Cafe. I can. Okay. So, getting guided on YouTube chat. You can see. Trailed my profits to 40k, and if it hits 1.5, then it's a good day. So, Shiv Shankar Das, you can actually look into the description. We are a community of traders. So, we exchange ideas, we learn together, and with that network, we grow together. you can visit our website. You can visit our office. Hi Zenith. So Naveen sir is not here. I'm Yashas. I'm his disciple. So today is my turn. We are just steps away. No, Shiv Shankar. OI data plays a very less significant role in our analysis. We look into the option premiums, and based on option premium behavior, we take our decisions. So guys, done for the day. We booked around 1.49, around 1% of the capital. So I'll take a break and let's see whether we can okay. Naveen sir has come. I'll pass on the mic to him.
Hey guys, good morning. Hope you're all well. A great day to trade though. Pretty good. We had another account that we had to carry some flies that got us hit badly. Back green in that account as well. And the boys have done an excellent job in the morning. Pretty easy day. Hey guys, good morning. So I thought we will spend some time chatting and answer your questions if you may have any. Since the stream has ended, I mean the profit targets have hit pretty early, and probably an opportunity to discuss a few things. It's just that we have had a great week on all accounts, and we want to take the hey thanks Zenith, we want to take that home positively, and we do not want to push ourselves, get caught again, manage it, and then we don't want typically we are light on Fridays. Thursdays I am a little bit light when I am trading Nifty, and the reason why I trade light on Nifty is one of our colleague here, you have seen, typically analyzes my data and says you struggle on Fridays, Thursdays with Nifty, and that's actually true. So that's why I am trying to move away from Nifty and make 1D Sensex. How did we manage the flies? We basically converted it to a triangle, moved away, and got them closer with the DK, similar to what Ashes has done on the stream. Sorry, I did not mean to skip anybody's message. Thanks, Zenith. What was the question? If you can put that again. Jump. See, the call just went from 61 to 94. So that is the issue with being longer in positions nowadays. Alright, for those people that are directional traders, I have done a video on how you can use the similar concept of this charting on Tradingview and use a straddle combined premium. Definitely go watch it. But the idea is the premiums have a tendency to form a range and mostly rotate around the standard deviations from VWAP range. So VWAP will never be straight, it will be either up, mostly down, and then you want to know what would be the range. It's a similar concept of ATR. And what Ashes is also looking is open interest here and an RSI. So let's see what has happened yesterday. If the price is above VWAP, we can't see this well here, but if the OI is cutting down and RSI is significant, most of the times it goes and touches this second standard deviation. And here is a good example on this other side where the OI is raising, price touches the VWAP, comes back, and RSI is below 40. If you can combine this, both charts, put the same model in a straddle chart, you will have excellent opportunities to actually play directional game with straddles. Traders Cafe, what is Traders Cafe? How do you describe? We are a trading desk. We offer trading spaces for full-time and professional traders or aspiring traders. They can come sit with us, trade along with us. You will have infra, monitor, internet, and access to softwares. Some of that softwares that we use. You can collaborate with fellow traders. You can contribute back to the trading community if you have certain methodologies. All of that is a possibility with us. For using the space, there will be a nominal fee. It won't be much, but we welcome you to come sit with us for a few days, and then we can take it forward from there. And the real goal is not to make money out of providing spaces. That's not The real goal is to get a community of traders together and make a rock solid team that can perform well in different scenarios. We have other modes, and our trading is where we make money. Yeah. We have also initiated a small not stream actually, an effort to discuss about levels and some of the stocks that goes live every day evening at 7:15. Piyush does that, and probably he will expand that into some stocks and all of that in future. We have connected Jaina. We will open in Goa probably next year. Where did you hear that, Shetty? Shetty, the answer is that's a completely different dimension. That's not this is about. The stream and the trading floor is about trading itself, not about leverage, not about these things that I don't know where you have heard from. Is Pune office also got trade floor? Yes. How do I get to trade with you? You have to come to our office. Hello, Chandrasekhar. No, we are not present in Kolkata, unfortunately. We have one in Surat. That's a big office. I think we have 150 plus there. So. Good morning. Capital is not a concern. You can trade with whatever you have. Link to our video where we have done this. Okay, I think it's a pretty easy find. I want to start one in Mumbai along with you. Whom do I talk to? You have to get in touch with us. Mumbai is an unlikely destination. That's too crowded. On the same things, there are a number of desks and stuff. So. Call the number that is there on the stream. Can I show BB settings? It's not BB, it's VWAP and standard deviations to that. So click here, display 2, display 3. I also use 1, but Yashas doesn't use 1. This is his screen. So any office plan in Mumbai, Thane? I will suggest that to our boss. Do you keep VWAP SL limit? If we trade directional, yes, VWAPs are good SLs, but the idea is to trail it until it reaches the destination. The destination typically is the 2 standard deviation. If you have a solid API, Tradeflow works very well and doesn't matter with the broker. It doesn't. It needs an API that is stable and has ultra low latency. Tradeflow, I think, is integrated with most of the brokers, and Amit continues to expand that base. So, if there is a broker that has a reasonable audience, I'm sure he has that in his roadmap. Yes, we use collocated servers. We can't put size with other brokers because we don't want to get stuck in with tech issues. We are okay to get stuck ourselves with our trading decisions, and tech issues it will be difficult for us to manage. So we paid some premiums for that, and that is absolutely worth in paying. So we which terminal we use? XTS in the background. This is the front end. This is Tradeflow. Our traders use Greeksoft. Our traders use Odin, and the boys buy sometimes in their personal accounts, Erode and all of that. What else? I want to shift to co-location server. Whom should I reach out to? You should reach out to a broker that has XTS. Whom should I reach out to learn about co-location costs? Co-located servers are managed by XTS and Symphony FinTech. And some brokers have invested money in them to get some space in those co-located servers. That's the way to go out to it, is through brokers, not do that. But if you have a very large size, I think it costs a few hundred crores, where actually you can get a server yourself, right in the NSE and BSE. Looking your name, probably you'll have that size, so you can think about it. So most of this, not discount brokers, but good brokers, have a tie-up with XTS. They can offer you XTS, and you can negotiate cost for the co-located server for you, for your account. How is your trading day going on, guys? Who is the point of contact for our Pune office? You can reach out to the numbers that are there, and they will guide you to or help you to get in touch with the lead of Pune. No, that position is over. That's why it's just nothing is there. Yashas has closed in the morning, and Yeah. We use multiple brokers. Jainam is one of them. This is not my account. This is Yashas's account. Yashas is one of our traders who trades along with my side, along with a couple of others. He was trading with a 1.5 CR cap, and his goal was to reach 1%. After a little bit of initial down move, he was green all the way through. So this is you can see here 1 crore 50 lakhs, 1%, and he had used exit PNL, target PNL. He trailed it from minus 25 to 0, 0 to 25, 40, and then his target was 1.5. He booked it. Shetty ji, no, we have some laptops that we can use, but it depends on a number of parameters. I have a lot of things that go on with me, so I need a laptop that can fit those requirements, right? So it depends on what you're gonna use, where you're gonna trade, and how many accounts you're gonna trade. So your machine should be capable of that. So yeah, the advice is get your own laptops and trade from them. But yeah, we have definitely laptops that we can share as well. Is your company a member of its stock or you pay brokerage? Yeah, Jainam is a company that is registered. Glad to hear that. It's going good. I was on call ratios yesterday, and when DK started to come, got rid of the hedge to save 3 points and got butchered, lost 2%. Yeah, it was a very unexpected move, but the intensity of the move was so furious. There was no opportunity to make good exits. And it was not a day that you can manage on the call side well. It was a pure directional day after the upburst, and the move was not grinding move. It was fast. There was momentum, so the calls just exploded. So I'm sure today would have given like 1% pretty early, Naresh. So all you need is 2 more days. And can we trade with our own brokers, or we need a open? You can trade with your own accounts, with your own brokers. Where are you located, Shetty? Mumbai, okay. Yeah, take it slow. You don't have to rush for it. Okay, I'm gonna spend 5 more minutes. If there are any questions, please shoot them fast. I'm happy to stay 10 more minutes if there are questions, but otherwise we'll wrap it and call it a week. Let the boys go early home and do whatever they want to do. Have fun. Is anyone in your team trading algos? A lot of them. We will actually stream an algo sometime next week. I use algo using ICA by Tradeflow is not connected. Do we get to learn algo trading by fellow traders if we join? Yes, of course. Alright, so there is a initiative that we are thinking of in the spirit of giving back. If you guys need a counseling session, and if you are, and this is especially for those who are struggling with drawdowns or not trying to manage their risk, we are wanting to offer a couple of sessions, 30 minutes each, with our leader here. If that is of interest, reach out to us, book your slot, and that is going to be purely on risk management. There are not going to be discussions around our accounts, sizes and all of that. It's only to help you. Okay, so you might have to send some data as to your performance and all of that. We don't need a lot of details, and we definitely don't need your credentials and all of that. That is something you want, feel free to reach out, and that's gonna happen on weekends. We will also be announcing something pretty exciting. Again, we're only trying to give, not ask anything. And so that is after we reach a milestone of 1,000 followers on Twitter. If you're not following us on Twitter, please do follow us. You will see something pretty exciting coming very soon. Absolutely, Naresh. But again, if you're a profitable trader, you don't need that, I guess. But if there are issues that you're facing and maybe need some help, I think those are the people that can best benefit from the session. Alright, let's wind up. Is the suggestion from SM, so let's do that. I will wait one moment. Are there any further questions? We will trade BankX on Monday. We will stream that. Yeah, we will also be posting a small performance review of all the days that we have streamed. Probably 10-15 sessions, I believe. Is prop available for remote trading? We don't do props on this stream. So the performance review video will be coming out. Watch that out. Let us know your comments, thoughts, critique. Everything is welcome. Yeah, thanks, Asam. You have a happy weekend too. Ishwant, loved your style of managing Ventier and PNR. Yeah, it's been rough. No cost for counseling. It's free. It's been rough 2 days, I would say, because the first half was difficult to manage, and then very good second half sessions. I was reluctant to actually build positions yesterday morning, but I have built it anyway because the stream was scheduled and all of that. But yeah, afternoon was pretty good. Hey, thanks. We love the interaction as well. Hopefully it is helping a little bit. Of course, we don't do the buy here, sell there stuff that all the other YouTubes do. We will try to put some content around some of the strategies, especially on positional stuff, weeklies, bi-weeklies and monthlies. We will also be bringing some of our positional traders to talk. They do excellently well without having to do a lot of adjustments and all of that. I think those who want a reasonable return without having to go through a lot of pain, that could be a good learning session. I don't do a lot of positional, but some of people do it here. There was one video streamed last week, I believe, on positional review. Yeah, it's been pressing for time, SM, and we do a lot of other things off market. So we are trying to find some time out of our schedules to do that. But what my focus is trying to get quality over quantity, and I want to establish that we can trade, and we only show people how we trade and teach the same strategies, if that makes sense, rather than doing back testing on Opstra, stock mark, and say, hey, this is gonna give you 5%. What else do you want to see on our channel? Thanks, Shetty. Yeah, I am just above 40s, SM. All right, so let's call it a stream. Let's call it a week. You guys have a good rest of your weekend. And if you're trading, trade safe, trade well. We will catch up again on Monday, and we will post some content today evening on our performance. We will also be posting our levels with Piyush video at 7:15. Watch out for that, and if you like our content and if you think this is helpful, do hit that like button, share it with your friends and other people that are can benefit from this in your own trading community. Thanks for participating. Bring my regular coffee on Monday. I'll send you a coffee basket. SM. Send me your address. There is a. I don't know if you have heard about Blue Tokai. They have a very good bundle of coffees. Happy to send you that. All right. Thanks, guys. Was nice chatting with all of you. Again, before I leave, this is Yashas's account that he trades on. He is trading with 1.5 CR. He made 1%, and that is what we streamed today. Let's call it a day and have a good rest of your time. Bye for now.